Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court exam. Ready and start. In our considered opinion, because of the restricted role assigned to the magistrate at the stage of commitment under the new code, the non-compliance of the same and raising of any objection in that regard after conviction attracts the applicability of the principle of failure of justice and the convict appellant becomes obliged in law to satisfy the appellate court that he has been prejudiced and deprived of a fair trial or there has been miscarriage of justice. Stop. The concept of fair trial and the conception of miscarriage of justice are not in the realm of abstraction. Stop. They do not operate in a vacuum. Stop. They are to be concretely established on the bedrock of facts and not to be deducted from procedural lapse or an interdict like commitment as enshrined under section 193 of the code for taking cognizance under the act. Stop. It should be a manifestation of reflectible and visible reality, but not a routine matter which has roots in appearance, sense any reality. Stop. Tested on the aforesaid premised reasons, it is well nigh possible impossible to conceive of any failure of justice or causation of prejudice or miscarriage of justice on such non-compliance. Stop. It would be totally inapposite and inappropriate to hold that such non-compliance vitiates the trial. Stop. Stanza. At this juncture, we would like to refer to two other concepts, namely speedy trial and treatment of a victim in criminal jurisprudence based on the constitutional paradigm and principle. Stop. The entitlement of the accused to speedy trial has been repeatedly emphasized by this court. Stop. It has been recognized as an inherent and implicit aspect in the spectrum of Article 21 of the Constitution. Stop. The whole purpose of speedy trial is intended to avoid oppression and prevent delay. Stop. It is a sacrosanct obligation of all concerned with the justice dispensation system to see that the administration of criminal justice becomes effective, vibrant, and meaningful. Stop. The concept of speedy trial cannot be allowed to remain a mere formality. Stop. Stanza. While delineating on the facets of speedy trial, it cannot be regarded as an exclusive right of the accused. Stop. The right of a victim has been given recognition in Mangal Singh's case, wherein it has been observed that any inordinate delay in conclusion of a criminal trial undoubtedly has highly deleterious effect on the society generally and particularly on the two sides of the case. Stop. but it will be a grave mistake to assume that delay in trial does not cause acute suffering and anguish to the victim of the offense. Stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM की स्पीड थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर लीगल डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस।